Hello friends, good morning. I'm back with a new video today. My channel name is Dr. Prasad Phatak, which has been changed to Dr. Prasad Phatak Keshava Ayurvedic Clinic. This channel has two mottos. One is Ayurveda and another is humanity. As far as now, I have been talking about Ayurveda only, but now I am turning to another passion of mine, that is humanity. You know that Ayurveda is also my passion, but that is passion come profession. And humanity is just a passion. And that passion is for the betterment of human being. That passion is for betterment of life of humans. That is for happiness to all. Oh, of course, that's not a claim. There are some thoughts that could help humanity as a whole, and you have to think on your own, you have to practice on your own. I just don't guide like any spiritual guru or anybody scientific guru like that. I just show the path. I just put my thoughts ahead of you and in front of you, and you have to think about it. You have to work upon it. There are so many ways to be a better human being, and that you have to find out. But as far as now, I have written hundreds of thousands of words about humanity. That all is just a guideline. Be it a lack of words, but these are guidelines. So, speaking about humanity, I am working with this humanity awakening for last 20 years, and many people sometimes say what that humanity are talking about. But if you go other way around, have a chat with them, and suddenly they will talk of humanity. What they will say is, oh, that man has no humanity. That person has lost humanity. Now people say the community has lost humanity. There is no humanity on the earth. So many negative words about humanity you are talking about. Sometimes I might have been also talking about that negative words, but when thought about it deeply, I came to that conclusion that humanity is not dead, it's not gone, it's very much on the earth. All that is, it is diminished to a bit level, and that we can enhance, we can put some inputs, efforts, and that humanity will come back with thousand folds of its effects. So, what is humanity basically? Humanity is a very simple thing. People think thousand and hundreds types on it. Only very simple. Humanity is very simple. It is to be good and to do good to the others. That's all. And what is difficult in that? It may be very difficult, but its words is very simple because they are taught to us from the childhood. My mother and my father, my other parents, they would always teach me about humanity. Beta अच्छा करो, beta do good, beta don't do bad things. That was also another type of thing talking. Don't do that, man. So when we went to a temple in the childhood, and due to some very childish things or thoughts, we just lifted up that mukut of the Lord image, idol. So when we came back, my mother said no words. She uttered zero words. She kept just calm. That day she was not talking. That not talking also has an effect of 50 years, around 50 years back this incidents happened. So that silence also is in my mind for last 50 years, that she said nothing but said a lot of things, that lifting the, we didn't steal it, we didn't bring it to home, we just had this, some madness, lifted it. But she was very strict and didn't talk with us for a day, and then we realized that what we did was wrong. So this is the kind, there are so many kinds, ways, words, no words to teach you humanity from the childhood. But what is important and what we are doing through this forum is to awaken it, because we forget the teachings every day, every moment, and we need them back. And after writing hundreds of thousands of words and so many blogs and Humanity Awakening Forum page on Facebook and talking to people, I have been talking, writing all the way. And what I find is, I need it every day, just as you need religion every day, but you don't follow it. Actually, you don't follow it. So that is a part. So the humanity is a teaching which has been given to us in the childhood, but we lose it each every day, and that we have to establish back in our own lives first and then to the world. But if I change myself, I am the best human being of the world. I am just like a god and all, but other peoples are not like that, then it is not good for the society. That's why we try to change myself, and request others for a change. And that you can read if you like on the page Humanity Awakening Forum group, Humanity Awakening Forum on Facebook. You can easily find it because the name is bigger. Other humanity pages or groups are only humanity or humanity first or thinking humanity. So many are. But our is Humanity Awakening Forum, and ahead we have written Manav Jagran Manch. So if you are not satisfied with videos that I am going to create, you can go for this. You can go for this on my group.